For any social care manager, we'll always speak about how staff are our greatest strengths, and I think for us, Passion for Practice really looks at building on that strength. Staff are out there every day working with families, and they can help us develop our service in a way through us co-producing the service with them that actually as a management group we can't do in isolation. So Passion for Practice was about creating the right environment for our practitioners to be the social workers that they want to be and to be the social workers that family need them to be.
As a member of staff, I've been in the local authority for 6 years now, and I really feel listened to. I feel like when we invest our time in these Passion for Practice sessions, as practitioners, if things aren't going well for us or need to be changed, then we really are laying that on the table, we're having that listened to, and that will always promote the outcomes for our service users.
Passion for Practice has allowed staff to feel included in the process, included in decision making, and included in the development of the service. Not only has that improved staff's well-being, it's also made staff, I feel, want to come to Merthyr to work, and I do think it is a direct result of Passion for Practice. I really do.
It arose out of a need to consult with staff to get their views about how we could improve practice. And it is all driven by the practitioners, so and the Passion for Practice name came from the sense that there was a real passion for improvement in Merthyr.
So my message for anybody who wanted to roll at something like Passion for Practice would be completely go for it. It's so transformational, and it completely is a bottom-up approach to how we work our service.